A safe, comfortable home starts above your head. How can you tell when your roof needs attention? Here are the top 5 warning signs you may need a new roof. Sign 1, aging roof. Most roofs last between 20 to 25 years. If your roof is approaching or has exceeded this age, it's time for a professional inspection. Aging materials become brittle and more susceptible to damage. Sign 2, curling and buckling shingles. Shingles that twist, curl, or appear warped are losing integrity. Water can penetrate these weak points, leading to leaks and structural decay. Sign 3, interior water damage. Brown stains or paint bubbling on ceilings and walls commonly originate at the roof. Even small leaks can develop into serious problems. Regularly inspect your attic for dampness or visible drips. Sign 4, granules in gutters. Asphalt shingles shed granules as they age. Excessive granule loss means your shingles are deteriorating quickly, exposing your home to UV rays and water. Sign 5, visible sunlight and damaged flashing. If you see daylight from your attic or notice rusted, displaced, or broken flashing, your roof may have structural weaknesses. These gaps invite both water and pests. Spotting these signs early could prevent costly repairs. If you've noticed one or more, contact NorCal Roofing to assess whether it's time for a new roof. Protect your home and stay covered.